Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to fix server didn't register with DCOM within required timeout. You can follow these steps. First one, search services. Open services. In this list you have to find out this function discovery resource publication. Right click on it and properties. Startup type select automatic. Then stop and again start. Then click on apply and click on OK. Now exit and open here COM. Now search a component. Services. Open this component services. Expand computer services. Expand computers. Right click on my computer. Properties. Here click on default properties. If it's selected, so unselect this first one. Enable distributed COM on this computer. Then click on apply. Click on yes. Again click on OK. Now exit and restart your laptop or PC. So these are better guys, you can try to resolve this problem. Still you are facing problems, so just disable external third party security application, then try it and use Windows default security. Thanks for watching. Comment this method work for you.